Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: power, keyboard, and network. Next, check whether this is a Microsoft account or a local account because the recovery path differs. If you can, sign in on another admin account or prepare Windows 11 install Media Now. These steps avoid wasted troubleshooting later. Once done, make sure to note any recent password changes or PIN resets. They often reveal the root cause and tell you which recovery tool to use next. If it's a Microsoft account, open Account. Microsoft. Com on another device and follow the password reset flow. That fixes sign-in tokens on Windows. For local accounts, boot to Advanced Startup, hold Shift while restarting, then choose Troubleshoot Advanced Options. From there, use Safe Mode or Command prompt to run NetUser to reset passwords or Run System Restore to roll back recent changes. You can also use Offline NT Password and after resetting credentials, reboot and sign in. For Microsoft accounts, allow a few minutes for cloud sync so tokens update. Once logged in, recreate or reset your PIN under Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options. If sign-in still fails, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files, or consider an in-place reinstall that keeps your files. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still can't access the account, boot from Install Media and back up your user folder before more invasive fixes. This prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.